Today, I'm going hiking with Lisa. Today, I'm going hiking with Lisa. I've chosen a beautiful hike. I've chosen a beautiful hike. I'm sure she'll like it. I'm sure she'll like it. I'm going to wake her up now. I'm going to wake her up now. We have to leave soon. We have to leave soon. Good morning, Lisa. Good morning, Lisa. You have to get up. You have to get up. We're leaving soon. We're leaving soon. But it's so early, Dad. But it's so early, Dad. I know, but we're going on a hike today. I know, but we're going on a hike today. Can I sleep a little longer? Can I sleep a little longer? It's Saturday, Dad. It's Saturday, Dad. You need to get up now, Lisa. You need to get up now, Lisa. Otherwise, we won't make it on time. Otherwise, we won't make it on time. Okay, I'll get up now. Okay, I'll get up now. Great, I'll wait for you downstairs. Great, I'll wait for you downstairs. Lisa, you're not dressed appropriately. Lisa, you're not dressed appropriately. Where are your hiking shoes? Where are your hiking shoes? I couldn't find them. I couldn't find them. I'm sorry, Dad. I'm sorry, Dad. They're upstairs in your room. They're upstairs in your room. Bring your backpack while you're at it. Bring your backpack while you're at it. And a water bottle. And a water bottle. Okay, Dad, I'll go change. Okay, Dad, I'll go change. Is this better, Dad? Is this better, Dad? Yes, Lisa, now you're dressed perfectly. Yes, Lisa, now you're dressed perfectly. We have to drive for a bit in the car. We have to drive for a bit in the car. Okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. How long are we going to be driving for? How long are we going to be driving for? We won't be driving for very long. We won't be driving for very long. It's only 20 minutes by car. It's only 20 minutes by car. After that, we'll start walking. After that, we'll start walking. Sounds good. Sounds good. Isn't it beautiful out here, Lisa? Isn't it beautiful out here, Lisa? The fresh air, the trees, the mountains. It's all just great. The fresh air, the trees, the mountains. It's all just great. Yeah, Dad, it's really nice here. Yeah, Dad, it's really nice here. We still have a bit more to walk. We still have a bit more to walk. Then we'll arrive to the summit. Then we'll arrive to the summit. And there we'll have a beautiful view. And there we'll have a beautiful view. Great, let's get going. Great, let's get going. Let's go. Let's go. There's the summit just ahead, Lisa. There's the summit just ahead, Lisa. We're almost there. We're almost there. How much longer? How much longer? We'll walk for another 10 minutes. We'll walk for another 10 minutes. Great. Great. We're here, Lisa. We're here, Lisa. It's beautiful here, Dad. It's beautiful here, Dad. This is one of my favorite places. This is one of my favorite places. Why, Dad? Why, Dad? Grandpa brought me here many times. Grandpa brought me here many times. That was a good time. That was a good time. I believe that, Dad. I believe that, Dad. So you came here a lot with Grandpa? So you came here a lot with Grandpa? Yeah, once a month we would come here. Yeah, once a month we would come here. Now he's no longer here. Now he's no longer here. I'm sorry, Dad. I'm sorry, Dad. I love coming here with you. I love coming here with you. That makes me so happy, Lisa. That makes me so happy, Lisa. Next time, we'll take Mom with us. Next time, we'll take Mom with us. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. Let's go hike. Let's go hike. Who will come to the next hike? A. Grandpa. B. Grandma. C. Mom. Leave a comment. Who will come to the next hike? A. Grandpa. B. grandma, see mom. Leave a comment.